Hey y'all, I hope you're having a really great week. I know this is not Wednesday for WordPress Wednesday. I'm giving you a bonus video this week. I'm really excited to share with you where you can go online to find content ideas for your WordPress blog, or maybe even for your clients to help them come up with ideas on how they're writing their blog and their content inside of their WordPress website. I'm going to give you 5 different resources right now, and guess what? They're all in the budget of free. Let's go get started. All right, the first resource is Google itself, but not just Google search results or not just Google suggestive search, but also Google Alerts. I don't know if you've ever come here, but simply do a Google search for Google Alerts. There is a free resource where you can basically sign up for different topics. So let's say that you have maybe somebody who works in the oil industry and they want to keep track of any accidents that might be happening inside the oil industry. You can come in here and say oil industry accidents, right? Put that in there and create the alert right here, and it's going to send content to whatever email address you're logged into specifically for your Gmail account, right? Your Google account. So when you're coming in here, you can also set the different options and say, I want them sent all at once as it happens. So if you're trying to write in a kind of a real-time aspect of these accidents happening and you want to kind of piggyback on the wave of the alert going out to the public of an industry accident, you can then come in here and set these to come hit your inbox as they're happening. You can also choose region, language, very, very cool. And you can set who they're delivered to and click create that alert. And then that's going to start jumping into your inbox as those things are happening. You can get as creative as you want to when it comes to what type of alert you're trying to track. As you can see here, I have my own name, my brand. If somebody's out there talking about Ask Kori or Kori Ashton, I'll want those things to appear in my inbox so that I can monitor that. This is really, truly great for brand awareness as well and kind of reputation management, making certain that you're following as people are talking about certain things. So that is resource number 1. Resource number 2, I've actually talked about before, but it is even more relevant these days. You get some really cool content inside of answerthepublic.com. Come here and type in any topic you want to type in. Let's say search engine optimization, right? Type that in and click search. And we're going to get all sorts of really cool ideas for writing content toward that specific topic. You can talk about blog ideas. You can talk about curtains on your windows, dog food, whatever topic you can possibly imagine. You can come in here and type it. And it's going to give you questions that you might be able to have a spark on for writing out a blog article. So how about this question right here? Is search engine optimization dead? What a cool question. You can click on that and it'll take you in and you'll start seeing immediately some search results from Google to kind of talk to that topic to inspire you how to write toward that topic. So this is a very cool tool. You can also see some further ideas. They've got some different prepositions in here. You see 42 different prepositions. You got to go back to English to remember what those are, right? But these types of suggestions are search engine optimization for dummies. Okay, let's write an article on that. So these are the is, can, without, to, for, near, and with. Those are the different words that would be included in those topic titles. There's comparisons, so that might give you some ideas. So search engine optimization and Google AdWords. So you can have or, like, versus, and it's going to give you more ideas there. You guys, we're still going with free ideas here. This is how you build out your content calendar, coming in here and just grabbing ideas on any topic. I mean, these are some really cool ideas. And the other free resource that you can do here is you can download a CSV file and move on into your next topic and just start collecting data. Resource number 3 is going to be Google Trends. This is another totally free resource for you to come into. Type in a topic and see what people might be searching more for in your specific territory. So I can give you an idea of potentially something like this. Maybe you have an HVAC company that you're working for and they want to know if people are searching for air conditioner repair or AC repair, right? So let's do air conditioner repair, right? Let's do that word first and we'll see how well it's trending over time. And let's compare that with AC repair. And you can see right there the kind of jump that potentially we should be using the term AC repair more because it seems to be trending more. The other thing this is going to do for you is it's going to break down by state or by country, if you want to change the country, where it's more popular or most popular. So very cool. And you can just continue to add different comparisons here and prove to your client that you can get them more traffic by using a different variation of a keyword. So the way you apply this to your content writing is thinking about variations in the subject line, thinking about variations in content itself. So maybe you're going to write an article that talks about air conditioner repair, and then maybe you're going to write another topic that specifically says AC repair. The fourth tool to be checking out is BuzzSumo. So I'm going to put the link to all these in the description box below so you're able to click on all these and get to them quickly and easily. But this one does have kind of a free trial that you can play around with, but it also has a premium version. So this might be worth the bang for your buck once you get in here and start playing around with it if it really seems to meet your needs. But let's just do a quick keyword example. We're going to use the same one we just did, AC repair, and see what they bring up here. So here's some ideas. Air conditioner repair, tips that will prolong the life of your AC unit. Very cool. You're going to see some options here and what they believe you would get inside of Facebook engagement. You're going to see that. AC repair in Dalton, Georgia. Woodbridge AC repair. They're giving you just some ideas here of what people are writing about specifically for these topics. As you scroll down, you're going to see even more. And if you unlock and pay for a paid version, you're going to unlock all these other stats and all these other solutions for you inside of their tool. And lastly, you've got HubSpot Tools. This is the blog ideas generator, and this is where you're just going to have a lot of fun here. Enter a noun to get started. So let's enter a noun. Let's go ahead and do it because you know I always do it. I'm going to talk about WordPress. So let's say, give me some blog ideas about WordPress. That's what we want. So the first suggestion here is, will WordPress ever rule the world? The next big thing in WordPress? WordPress explained in fewer than 140 characters. That's kind of fun. This week's top stories about WordPress. WordPress, expectations versus reality. Ooh, that sounds like you can write on that one for days. This is a great tool to just jump into if you're having that brain cramp moment. And of course, if you want to unlock these 250 blog ideas or more right here, when you click on that, you're just going to fill out your information and you will be able to immediately download them. Pretty cool. Hey, so I hope that helps you, and any of those moments where you're trying to figure out what the heck do I write about this week, that's definitely some of my go-to spots to just find some quick inspiration. Of course, you can always Google around. I also have a bunch of other videos that might help you find some inspiration on what to write about. I hope you're having a great week. I hope this bonus video helped you out. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and click subscribe. Come hang out with me every single week as I'm creating content like this to help you improve your online marketing inside the world of WordPress. I will see y'all next time. Bye, everyone.